Hey everyone, in this session we are going to discuss a new topic, that is loop. Now the first question which arises in your mind, what is loop and why to use them? Okay, so loops are the certain piece of code which are used to implement the certain instructions repeatedly till our requirement is not fulfilled. Okay, in simple way you can say they are used to implement any instruction repeatedly till the requirement is not fulfilled. Now, there are three kinds of loop. The first type of loop is while loop, the second one is do while loop, and third is for loop. Each loop has its own importance that we will discuss here. Okay, now see the syntax for while loop. While you are going to mention a condition, then write the instruction and end of line here with semicolon. Okay, now what remember this w should be small and here this d should be small. This is the syntax of the C language. If you write it capital, it is going to throw you a syntax error. Now see here, let us suppose I write here while I is less than 10, print I and I plus plus or I plus 1. Now, when my compiler is going to run this code, he came here and see while the condition is I is less than 10. Then he is going to print the value of I till it is less than 10. As it reaches to 10, the loop will break and our compiler comes out of this loop. Okay. Here the syntax for do while loop is do and you have to mention your instruction, then with while you have to specify the condition. Means when compiler came here you say do. Now compiler going to ask what I have to do, so you tell that this instruction you have to implement. But now the condition is at the last. While condition, you have to mention the condition. Now what is the basic difference between while loop and what is the basic difference between do while loop? Now see here, in while loop, if the condition is having any error or condition is failed, then your program is not going to be run for a single time also. But here in do while loop, even if your condition is not satisfied or it is wrong, then also your instruction is going to be implemented or run for first time. Understood? Now let's come to the for loop. What is for loop? For loop, the general syntax for loop is, see here, this is example and this is the syntax for loop. For you have to initiate your variable. Okay, here in the for loop advantage is that you can initiate, give your condition, increment or decrement in a single line. Okay, where in the while loop or do while loop you have to specify the condition only, you can't initiate the variable here. Okay, but for loop provide you this facility. Now the first one is initiate. As you see, I initiated a variable I with 0 value. Okay, now here condition, I specify the condition that I must be greater than equal to 4. Okay, an increment or decrement or any condition you want to put here. Okay, so I plus plus, I have put the post increment operator here, and then you have to write your instruction and end of line. So this is the syntax for while loop, do while loop and for loop. I told you the difference between while and do while loop in this video, and we discussed the statement or definition of the loops. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you, have a nice day. So hope that you have enjoyed this session. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.